Have you ever seen this screen in the McLennan Library lobby? Ever wondered what it does? This is the Wayfinding experience, and today I'll show you how this can be your guide to finding your optimal study space at the McLennan-Redpath Complex. At the home screen, it shows where you are in the library relative to other spaces. On the left, it shows the different floors of the complex. Here, you can see how at capacity each floor is, and the layout of services and study spaces. If you want to find where a specific service is located, such as the McGill Writing Center, click on the bottom left tab titled Listings. There, you select the place that you're wanting to find, and it directs you to where it is located. If you plan to study on a specific floor and want to know where the bathrooms are, click the bathroom icon on the bottom. If you want to know where the printers are located on each floor, touch the printer icon on the bottom of the screen. Have any questions about anything library related? Touch the question mark on the bottom of the screen to locate where the library services desk is. And if you need to know where you can get food in the McLennan-Redpath Complex, click the fork and knife icon to get directions to Redpath Cafe near Cybertech. Now you are ready to use the Wayfinding screen. Use this resource to have the best study experience at the McLennan-Redpath Complex.